Well, guys, it's finally happened. It's finally crashed. Take a look at this here. Q4. This is from the Federal Reserve economic data. You can see that in Q4, the median home sale price of homes sold in the United States was up to $468,000. And ever since then, I mean, in one quarter, it went all the way down to $467,700. So, like, in an instant, over $300 was wiped out of everyone's equity in an entire quarter. So, if you were looking to time the market, I think now's the time to jump right in. Prices are going to be about $300 less than they were just a quarter ago. So if you want to hop in, give me a call and we'll start your search. Or if you don't want to believe all the sensationalist headlines about that home values dropped 0.02% or 0.2% last month, so everyone should run for the hills, take a look at this data a little bit closer now. Again, this is from the Federal Reserve. If we go back here to COVID, this is where COVID was, where the median sale price of homes sold in the United States, again, from the Fed, $322,000. That ran all the way up to $468,000 in just about 3 years. Take this back to maybe 2007 when everybody thought everything was so great. Then the median was 257,000. We wrote it up to 468,000 in about 15 years or so. Go back to 1990. Started in 1990. This was about 117,000. 1980. I mean, look at this chart right here. And you're going to tell me that you're worried about home prices crashing? Yeah, they might come down a little bit. There's a lot of turmoil in banking right now. There's a lot of uncertainty with inflation. But if you're looking over year historical data right now, a correction is not going to be the worst thing in the world. I think that we've seen so much growth in equity that there is still so much money tied up in people's homes right now. And I feel like that's going to continue to grow. Will we see a correction? Possibly. That's going to be in the crystal ball right now. But over time, homeownership wins. This chart proves it.